Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these new denim jackets from Free Assembly. Has that higher neckline, the 2 pockets up at the top, 2 down below. Also that button detail on the wrist. Same fit through the back with that seam detailing, and these are $32. Also new denim dress from Free Assembly. This one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, the 2 pockets, fit and flare, and then the zipper in the back. And this one is going to be $28. How cute is this new cardigan from Free Assembly? This has the crew neckline. It has these heart buttons, the pointel heart detailing with the drop sleeve. Also has the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. And then the same fit through the back, and this one's $22. So in the red denim are these jeans from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They look like they're a little bit of a barrel leg. It says cropped barrel, has a little hammer holder, that seam detail, and then the pockets on the back. How pretty is that gold hardware on the button? And these are $28. They also have in the barrel leg this style. This one has the pork chop pockets, that seam detailing, the raw hem at the bottom, and this one is a carpenter barrel. Also new graphic tee from Free Assembly. It has that crew neckline, and these are $10. New scoop tee from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, cap sleeve, really nice length with the seam through the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the solid white, and they're $10. Also new Henley long sleeve from Free Assembly. This has that plunging V, the gold buttons, nice relaxed fit through the front and the back. In the stripe, also comes in the solid navy, and these are going to be linked down below. $14. Also new button down shirt from Free Assembly. This has that crew neckline, ribbed, stretchy, functioning buttons all the way down. Has a nice little different color kind of fabric like poplin trim. In the blue and white stripe, also the solid navy. These are $16. So new chino from Free Assembly. These look like they're high rise, tapered leg, trouser pockets in the back, in the black. I feel like we haven't had a black dress pant in a long time, and they are going to be $22. So new puff sleeve top from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline puff sleeve. It's a thicker material, super soft, in the blue stripe. Also comes in the solid navy, and they're $16. So I have new colors in the tees from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline. They're that cap sleeve. You guys know I love these. I'm actually wearing the white one today. In the blue, there's pink is new. There's that stripe, and then white. Those are $8 or $9 now. And then they also have a boxy tee in the baby pink, the stripe, the black. Those are $9. And I shared the pointel tees, I think, in the basics video. So this one has that scallop trim, really nice length. In the white, the navy and white, solid navy. There's this yellow and the baby pink, and those are $10. Got a little bit of Valentine sweat set from WAYTO Celebrate. This has that crew neckline, French terry, drop sleeve with the raw hem, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, the little robe part with the, how cute, the little horse on the back, the cowboy. And then it also comes in the red and pink hearts. These are $12.98. Then to match, they have the pants, elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, that same graphic. And the pink also comes in the red and pink heart with the drawstring. These are only $12.98. Of course, they ran out of my size. They have large to 2XL in the store for both the pants and the pink and red. Heart cardigan from Madden NYC. This has that open front, the puffy heart drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom, and then no heart through the back. Henley embroidered top from Madden NYC. This has that scoop neckline with the lace, has that embroidered detail fitted through the wrist in the black. Peplum tops from Celebrity Pink. These have that square neckline, elastic on the wrist, a little peplum at the bottom. In the mint green, also comes in the pink, and they're $15.50. New denim skirts from the Millie Bobby Brown line. So these have the button zip. How cute is that little rhinestone detailing? with the whiskering pockets on the back, and these are $18.50. Also have from the Millie Bobby Brown the little embroidered tee. I saw online they also have sweatpants with that little embroidered detailing. I love those. So it has a scoop neckline, cap sleeve. It does look shorter. I picked up this sweater in the medium. I should have got the large just for length because this stuff is a little more cropped than I like. But how pretty are these embroidered tees with the little purple and green, and these are $15.50. Also from Millie Bobby Brown are these jeans. So these are, they look like they're low rise. That's faded, kind of light blue denim, and these are $26.50. And some new colors in this little shoulder detail. So we saw this one in the Time and True video, but it has a little bit of a boat neckline, that little ruffle detail. Good length now in the burgundy. We also saw it in the white and navy stripe. Also comes in that navy white, and I think the other color was black, and they are $12.98. Also new boxy tee from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, the drop sleeve, and the same fit through the back. That's the extra small. This is the 2XL. So they have the navy. I think I saw some other colors online, and these are $9.98. So new Henley long sleeves from Time and True. So these have the higher neckline, halfway button. It's a rib stretchy material, really good length. In this beige with the camel color, and then navy with the white stripe, and I don't have any price. Nope, they'll be linked down below. Denim from Time and True. So these look like they're high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, wider leg, and then the same fit through the back. These are the high rise utility trousers in the ivory with the brown stitching, and they are $24.98. They also come in this solid dark indigo wash, and then also that mid-tone. Because now their jeans sell out really fast. New French terry tunics from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, that slit on the side. So you do have that length for coverage. In the pink, also burgundy, there's gray and black, and they're $15.98. So new puff sleeve dress from Time and True. So this has that scoop neckline, the cap sleeve, smocking in the waist, flowy drop tiered skirt, and then the same through the back. And these are $27.98 in the navy. And then in the similar print, it comes in this. This is a way different material though, and then also in that blue and white floral. So new lace trim sweatpants from No Boundaries. So these have that soft fleece elastic waistband, that lace trim through the side, wide leg. In the pink, also comes in the navy, and they're $14.98. So new from No Boundaries are these little twist tees. So these look like they're 100% cotton. Yeah, 95% cotton, 5% spandex. Has that twist detail fitted through the wrist. In the gray, also comes in navy, and they're $9.98. New long sleeve tees from No Boundaries. This has the plunging V, that tie detail, ribbed, fitted through the wrist, and then the same fit through the back. In the solid white, also comes in the yellow floral, and they're $9.98. So new bodysuit from No Boundaries. This has that high neckline, cap sleeve, ribbed, stretchy material with the thong style back. In the pink, also comes in white, and they're $9.98. So I have these new long sleeve bodysuits from No Boundaries. These have the scoop neckline fitted through the wrist. It's a seamless material with the thong back. In the gray, also in the blue, and they're $10.98. Trousers from No Boundaries. So these have the side button zip, the drawstring side pocket, trim on the leg, same fit through the back. In the beige pinstripe, also that charcoal, or it's kind of like a blue-gray, and they're $15.98. Denim from No Boundaries. So these look like they're high-rise. They're the wide leg, or no, they're mid-rise. That's what they look like. They have that vintage wash, and then look at the double seam on the side. And then pockets on the back, and these are $18.98. So I have some new denim shorts from No Boundaries. So these have the lace top. They're pretty short, button with the zip, the little slit on the side, pockets on the back. In the light blue, they also have that mid-tone. Those say mid-rise, these say mid-rise. They're $14.98. So new ripped wide leg jeans. These are high-rise. They have the whiskering, the rips at the knees, relaxed fit with the elastic through the back. and they're $18.98. I also have them in this wash. New overalls from No Boundaries. So these have the adjustable strap, silver hardware, the one big pocket, whiskering. It's a wide leg, or these are from Celebrity Pink. It says wide leg overall with the crisscross back, and they're $26.50. Denim from Gloria Vanderbilt. So these look like they're high rise. They have these front pockets, cropped leg with the seam in the back. How nice do these look? They're $36.98 or $26.98. And then right next to it they have the front pocket jeans. So these look like they're high rise, really nice and stretchy. I'm very impressed with these. And they're also $26.98. New active dresses from Avia. So these have that round neckline, the thicker strap, built-in shelf bra, has the shorts with the racer back, and these are $26. So new bomber style jacket from Avia. So this has the rounded neckline. It's that scuba material, the drop sleeve with the elastic wrist, has the side pockets with the seam in the back, and the blue also comes in the black, and they're $28. I have these new seamless tanks from Avia. These have the scoop neckline, that textured detailing with the racer back, and the pink also comes in gray, and they're $10. They have a new tee option. These have that crew neckline, the side seam, that same kind of perforated detail. Seam fit through the back in the black, white, pink, and lavender, and they're $13. Match those jackets, they have these pants. So these have a pull-on waistband, the belt loops, faux zipper with the side pocket, wide flowy leg, and then trouser pockets in the back. And the blue also comes in black, and they're $22. Waffle jackets from Ozark Trail. So these are mock neck. They have that side seam, side pocket, the banded wrist, a little zippered pocket. In this purple, there's also beige, there's that light green, and a charcoal, and they're $24.98. Top from Avia. So this one has that higher neckline, this ruching. It's ribbed and stretchy. Seam fit through the back in the gray, black, and white, and these are $15. So new Valentine print nightgowns from JOYSPUN, or these are from WAYTO Celebrate. Has that plunging V, short sleeve, the little slit on the side, in the red with the hearts, the gray leopard with the heart in there. I think we saw this chocolates before. The black with the multicolored hearts. They have this little bow print, and then the gray hearts, and those are $14.98. We also have some new prints in these sleep tees from JOYSPUN. So crew neckline, relaxed fit, also has the pockets in the red with love. There's the white with the heart flowers. We saw this one before with the croissants, and then that Dalmatian print. These are $9.98. So we have the yellow little sheep, the leopard, good night with the blue and white stripe, and then gray with the stars. Also brought back some new colors in my favorite sleep sweatpants. I always go for these. They have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, comfortable leg. In the purple, they also have gray. Those are $13.98. And then they also have these sweatshirts to match. These have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the lavender, also in the gray. And then the shorts, elastic waistband, raw hem. The shorts are $9.98. The sweatshirts are going to be, I think they're $13.98, but all come in that purple and gray. Have some more of the graphic sleep tees from No Boundaries. So they have that crew neckline, boxy fit. The spicy, they're sweet with the cherries, just a girl, the blue cherubs, and then underneath it they have new prints in the boxer pants and shorts. So these have an elastic waistband, it's a flowy material. In the navy with the bows, they have pink with the cherries, the red with the plaid, how cute. And then the strawberries. And the pants are going to be, I saw a price on something, $14.98 for the pants, $7.98 for the tees, and then the shorts in all of those same prints. The check, the cherries, the strawberry, and the bows, those are $7.98. tee and short sets from JOYSPUN. These have that crew neckline. It's a super soft tee with the pull-on shorts. They have Happy with this pink, blue with Sundays, and this little pocket on the back of the shorts. And then black says Rest and Relax, More Sleep, and then a blue stripe, and the 2 pieces are $18.98. New prints in these scuba totes from No Boundaries. So these have that rope strap and then nice roomy inside with the pouch. We saw black last week. Now they have pink. They also have this like Italian kind of Bella Vita, La Vita Bella, Dolce. And then there's a black floral, and those are $21.98. They also brought back the oversized mesh tote, so now they're from No Boundaries. They have the top handle, also the oversized shoulder strap, $8.97 in the leopard, the green stripe, there's a pink gingham, and then black. They have this new little mesh. You could do a crossbody or top handle from No Boundaries. In the blue, coral, and black, those are $9.98. How cute are these new straw totes? So they have pretty heavy quality with the snap closure. There's a zippered compartment and then this little side compartment. So there's a embroidered lemon, there's the cherries, chow with the tassel, and then de sol, and these are $34.97. Match all of them. They have little wristlets. How pretty. It's like a beaded chow. There's the cherries, the lemon, and then the strawberries, and these are $14.97. Also new rope totes from No Boundaries. So these have that fabric trim, nice and oversized, in the black and white with the rope, and then the purple, orange, and lavender. These are $25.97, and then they have a handbag, like little shoulder option. How nice are these? In the black and white, also that same multicolor, and they're $20.88. More Valentine's things. How cute is this little bow? These are all 5. They have a no pink drop earring, the little roses, 3-pack with the hoops. We saw those last time. The necklaces are now. They also have like little best friend necklaces, bracelets. I think we saw that one last time. Look how pretty the heart clip is. These are like a designer look for less, $25 usually. Like if you bought it at a boutique, so it's pretty good for $5. They have the little puffy headbands, the knotted one. This one's new. Look at the little the hearts. Sandals from Time and Tru. These have that platform, the strap, crisscross with the zipper in the back, and these are $24.98. Sneakers from Rugged Shark. So these have that Croc style bottom. It's a mesh material. They're definitely a lot different than the Croc sneakers. It says they're the water active lifestyle brand. I don't know if you can wear them in the water, but these are $26.98 in this black and pink colors, and these sneakers from Avia. So these have that little slotted bottom. It says coil on with a round toe. In the pink, also in this beige, they're $29.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.